Garmin has launched its new Fenix 8 smartwatch, priced at $999, which offers a variety of features familiar to users of the Apple Watch Ultra 2 or Galaxy Watch Ultra, such as a speaker, microphone, and diving capabilities. However, the Fenix 8 stands out with its impressive battery life, lasting nearly a month on a single charge. In recent years, Apple and Samsung have positioned themselves as competitors to Garmin's outdoor-focused watches, targeting consumers who desire a rugged, premium smartwatch with longer battery life than typical models. Despite this, the $799 Apple Watch Ultra 2 and the $649 Galaxy Watch Ultra only offer 2 to 3 days of battery life per charge, whereas the Fenix 8 can achieve up to 29 days. Garmin has tailored the Fenix 8 and the newly introduced $899 Enduro 3 for sports and endurance enthusiasts. The Fenix 8 includes enhancements like a sensor guard, leak-proof buttons, and a 40-meter dive rating, while the Enduro 3 is designed to be lighter than previous Enduro models, weighing in at 63 grams. The Fenix 8 is available in 3 sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, with varying battery life depending on the size. The 51mm model with an AMOLED display can last up to 29 days on a single charge, the 47mm version up to 16 days, and the 43mm version up to 10 days. Similar to its predecessors, the Fenix 8 also offers a solar edition in all sizes, which allows the watch to charge using sunlight, extending battery life without needing to be near a power source. With a memory-in pixel display, the solar version can last up to 48 days. While the Fenix 8 includes a speaker and microphone, these features are somewhat limited compared to those on Apple and Samsung smartwatches. Garmin states that the Fenix 8 allows users to make and receive calls when their phone is within range, and it supports offline voice commands for tasks like setting a timer or saving a waypoint on a map. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 offers similar offline voice functionality, but with full Siri integration when connected to the internet, and it includes a new voice-powered translation app with watchOS 11. The Galaxy Watch Ultra from Samsung provides a choice between 2 voice assistants, Google Assistant and Bixby. Garmin has also added new advanced strength training features to the Fenix 8, including 4 to 6-week training plans directly accessible on the watch. Additionally, the Fenix 8 comes equipped with topographic maps that display terrain contours and allow for customizable map layers to enhance navigation. Both the Fenix 8 and Enduro 3 feature an FDA-cleared ECG app, akin to those found on the Apple Watch and Galaxy Watch, along with sleep tracking and a blood oxygen sensor. The Fenix 8 and Enduro 3 are now available for purchase on Garmin's website. Their release coincides with a flurry of activity in the smartwatch market, as Google has just unveiled the Pixel Watch 3, and Apple is expected to announce the Apple Watch Series 10 at its September 9th event.